I can't take my eyes. You'd be like heaven to touch. Oh,